Hey guys, welcome back to another Tormenta update, and since our last one was in the snow, a lot has happened and the ride has hit a huge milestone. Starting this off, I just want to say this is two updates in one, just because whenever I went the first time I didn't get much footage because the park closed early due to the rain. The first update was on March 7th and they had already done an impressive amount of work because my last update they had just completed the Immelman. Here you can see they are almost done with the track. They have everything up to the cutback done. Let's just say it's crazy how much of a presence this ride has in this area and how you can see it all over DFW. And here's a look through the fence, and it's just so unique how much they have completed since last time we were here. Now let's take a look from the inside of the park. Walking around the fountain, you can already see just how big the loop and Immelman are going into the mid-course. And when you are walking into the Mexico area, Tormenta just towers over everything. Like, it's just so cool to see my home park getting a ride of this scale. But here's another look at where the cutback is supposed to be. And when walking over to the ride area, you can see they have started to work on the station. It so far has some nice tile roof, but yeah, it's pretty cool to see this thing coming along. Now that pretty much ends off the first update, so let's jump to the update from March 14th. Driving into the park, you could already see that they have completed the track, and that is a huge milestone for the ride because then the next milestone will be testing. But last time the cutback just had the supports, and as you can see here, it is now complete. But now in the park, we noticed the Buffalo Trading Post was open, so let's look through the window. But before we do, here's a look at some of the cool Tormenta merch. Here, looking through the window, you have a better look at the station, and not much has happened since our last visit, but this gives us a look at where the restaurant will be, and all they've done is flatten the land, and I hope they start work on it soon so it can open with the ride. But outside of the trading post, we get a look at putting the roof on over the transfer track, which will look really nice. But yeah, it is so cool to have documented the ride so far from when La Vibora was still here to now, and the next step for the ride is testing, which is going to be so cool to watch. Thank you so much for watching, have a great rest of your day, and bye.